comrade lifaka isikipha somkhondo leyo nto ke ikutshela into eyodwa ukuthi akusiwona kuphela lawo ma-comrade alapho bakhona amanye ama-positions kuma-structures aphezulu azomaka kumkhondo wesizwe ukuthi abantu abafuna ukukhulisa umkhondo wesizwe akwenzeki. I'll give you a typical example, Comrade Ukomo. Kule debate ekhona njengamanje egcine sizama ukuthi silashwe uComrade uWilly Simchunu kwazi wakhotshwa ekhuluma kwenye amarali la kwi-region engikuyona ekhuluma ngalento yobhlokwa kwama-comrades nobhlokwa kwama-programs. We are facing a situation whereby Comrade Ukomo abantu abakwi-ground yibo abaphilisa umkhondo kakhulu as compared to abantu abama-positions. Abantu abama-positions, not all of them, Comrade Ukomo, mfisa ukuthi ungizwe. Ngayithokozela indlela uComrade our president womsholozi indlela ayichaza ngayo silapha eClermont kulokhuzo kulonshwa ilokhuzana iUclick ukuthi bazobuyela back manje kuma regions beyothi kuma regions uma kuthi i-region inama sub-regions awu-4 kuthiwe comrades ku-sub-region number 1 obani abantu enifuna ukuthi banilide, sub-region number 2 obani abantu enifuna banilide. Kukhuluma ama-comrades, yes, we do understand ukuthi i-constitution yomkhondo wesizwe ayikakavumeli ukuthi siye kuma-conference, but a platform whereby sizokhuluma sama-comrades ukuthi bafowethu nangu umuntu ophilisa umkhondo ebulawa, I mean not ubulawa physical but esuppresswa abantu abaoccupy ama-positions, because i-most yabo Comrade Ukomo angifisi ukuthi ngikufihle lokho ama-comrades agqoke iy'kipa zomkhondo but akwi-payroll ekagogo to ensure ukuthi umkhondo wesizwe kufika u-2026 ayenzeki lento umkhondo ofisa ukuthi yenzeke. Ngiyafisa Comrade uMagaye ubela back entweni oke wayisho umkhondo Comrade Ukomo ukwazi ukuthi uthole u2/3 majority kuma elections esibuya kubona, but Comrade Ukomo kunento ofuneka uyi-anticipate ukuthi izokwenza kwi-MK nebekade ngitshela ama-comrades ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siyowina kuma-local government elections kunabantu esobalanda akade bengekho kwi-structure somkhondo wesizwe kuqalwa size siya kuma-national government elections. Labo bantu Comrade Ukomo kuzokwenzeka ukuthi bafike inqola vele omkhondo wesizwe isihambile. It will happen Comrade Magaye ukuthi those people bazopreferwa umphakathi ukudlula thina ebesikhona kumkhondo wesizwe. Njengamanje sine-task as comrades of umkhondo wesizwe to go and lobby. Kunabantu abasekagogo njengamanje, kunabantu abasekwi-IFP, kunabantu abaseko-NFP esazi kahle ukuthi ewadini ethile uma singalandelwa umuntu loya abuye kuyibhena yomkhondo wesizwe, definitely sure umkhondo wesizwe uzowina. But i-problem ekhona-ke manje sesikwi-position Comrade Ukomo la uKhomo, let me just make an example ngayo because you won't be offended. Sezikwisimo manje whereby uComrade Ukomo usehlele esithongweni, usezibona as imayor, usezibona as uspeaker, usezibona as udeputy mayor. But for us ukuthi size sifike lapho ekutheni siwine abantu babe ospeaker babe ome funeka sisebenze eqala iground ngithi. Uma sekukhona-ke umuntu osebenza iground and lo muntu uma esebenza iground agcine umphakathi usumrecognize usubona ukuthi no leli comrade liyi-face of umkhondo wesizwe, yila khona-ke kuqhamuka sekukhona lento ye-character assassination. As we are speaking Comrade Ukomo, ama-comrades omkhondo wesizwe ngiyafisa ukuthi sengivala aqaphele isikhathi esibheke kusona sibheke esikhathini la khona i-enemy singaphakathi kumkhondo wesizwe. Umuntu useyabona manje ukuthi okay ukuze ngikwazi uku-achieve u1 no2 fanele ngiqhelise uKhomo ngoba uKhomo uyisilengiso empilweni yami. Ngalo ndlela once waqhelisa uKhomo kunabantu abakholelwa kuKhomo ukuthi uKhomo ufe evuka nomkhondo wesizwe. So in short lo live Comrade Ukomo ngicela ukuthi uma ususeviwe ama-comrades awusekhulete all over ngoba ubukade uzohlukanisa inhloko nesithandi. Ama-issues akhona uComrade uMagaye amanye akawathintile besikade sidumuze ebumnyameni. And I so wish comrade uKhomo ukuthi ukhamba kaComrade uFloyd kushayile futhi nathi as MK, because kune statement asikhiphile uComrade uKhomo la khona ethi angushile umkhondo wesizwe. Umlando ke manje usuyaphinda ke Comrade uKhomo ngoba even our president, there was a time whereby edeclareile ukuthi uANC akawushiyanga kodwa ungapha kumkhondo wesizwe. So we might find ourselves sino Comrade uLokuzana uFloyd kumkhondo wesizwe, but esenenye organization engiyithandileke kumagaye uthi uzojabula ukuthi uFloyd akabuye azoba kwiLokuzana otshanini abuka ama comrade eselida nawo abone nawo ukuthi no Comrade uFloyd into omkhondo ibingekho ngawe but ibinge collective. Ukuthi usuphumile akusho ukuthi umkhonto uzoba, because there was MK before uFloyd, there was MK before elections. Hence ke khona enye into ebisho ama comrade ukuthi even uComrade uFloyd himself akakhawunta kubantu abavotela iMK kuma elections esibuya kona. So ngalo ndlela lo live wenze ukuthi siphume kule nkungu esibhekene nayo, and kuzosiza Comrade uKhomo sengivala ukuthi as we are moving towards u2026 si accept ukuthi kumkhonto wesizwe siphelele. Athi ama comrade uma elokhuza ecula athi asiphelelanga kushoda uSpanman, khona abantu abasashoda kumkhonto abasabhilonga kwiIFP, khona abantu abashoda kumkhonto abasesekwa gogo, abasesekwa NFP, and uma bebuya Comrade uKhomo bazobuya bephethe inamba ezokwenza ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uwine. Iproblem izowasekutheni uma sesinama comrades thina within MK azu ukuthi wona yiwo aqala umkhonto wesizwe, and comes the time sekwabiwe ithebe kufuneke ithebe zabelwe bona, angeke swabi noma ama elections Comrade uKhomo. Sidinga uku-accepta ukuthi ukuze siye kulephe siyakuyona ngo-2026 kunabantu okufuneke samukele into yokuqala ukuthi ba-capable ukudlula thina. Once one a problem as a comrade uku-accepta ukuthi ukulida kwi-position ekwi-region, ukulida kwi-position ekwi-sub-region akukwenza ukuthi uzibona ngathi ungcono kuma-comrade lawa angalidi. To lead Comrade uKhomo akusho ukuthi usuke ubhetha udlula ama comrade